Welcome aboard. I remember you telling me about Pixelverse before. I mentioned that you can earn points using this Telegram bot and that these points would be useful someday. Well, that anticipated day has arrived. Don't forget to link your wallet to the system before claiming your airdrop reward. Pixelverse was listed on several exchanges yesterday. The price is as you see on the screen. Trading is now active. Pixelverse is trying a different system for the airdrop. NFTs will be sent to those using the Telegram bot and collecting points via the dashboard. These NFTs can be claimed starting at 12 Sound UTC on July 25th. You can see the countdown to claim the NFTs when you visit the claim section. You will have 1 week to claim your airdrop rewards. The airdrop reward is set at 10% of the total supply. Everything is actually explained in Pixelverse's article. If you want to examine it in detail, you can read the article. When distributing airdrop rewards, some conditions may be required from users. This is quite normal because there are a lot of airdrop participants, and Pixelverse will use the elimination method as much as possible. We will see what happens and how much people will earn. Keep using Telegram bots and pay attention to my airdrop videos. I believe that in the future, we will win very big rewards and get the rewards for our efforts. We will not stick to a single project and will try everything. We will talk less and do more work. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next video.